Mr. Wolf is blowing up balloons for the party. I'll huff and I'll puff and
Walis ka dyan. Doon ka.
balloon sound.
Sunod ka lang.
I love balloons.
Mabigit.
Everybody loves balloons.
Come on, let's dance.
Chong, meron ka doon.
Pinapala mo doon?
Tapos na, pangit.
Basta?
Di mo naramdaman, sobrang gaan mo.
Hindi ko naman susundan ito eh.
Here's Mrs. Wolf.
Who wants bubbles? Okay, I'll hop and I'll hop and I'll blow.
Ayan na. Ayan na, okay na yan.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Tang ina, sakit. Ayan, 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 ayan.
Okay na siya.
Pwede na ba yan? Ayan, madarap to. Lapit yan ito.
Giginig ka halatang inang baka maamang ka pa. Imbis na si ilong lang yun maaamang eh. Bilis lang oh.
Are you ready? Yes, Mrs. Wolf. You have to huff, and you have to puff, and blow. So many
Hindi lang masyado mahirap.
pretty bubbles. Let's go.
Yan ang last part ko.
That's a perfect bubble. That's not a bubble, Pedro. That's a full moon. And you know what to do when you see
What happened, Bella?
you howl. Ahoo! Why do you do that?
Baka duguhan lang.
Well, can you teach us how to do that? Okay,